Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Padmaja,
Yes, sir.
you are comfortable?
Yes, sir, I am comfortable.
Is it the first time you are appearing for interview, Padmaja?
Yes, sir. This is the first time. I have applied mains, but I didn't qualify mains.
Okay. You attended the Indian Science Congress where? Told you?
In Mysore, 2016.
Okay. How got you selected, or what is the criteria?
Sir, actually there is no criteria. Anyone who is pursuing the science subject,
Okay.
They can go. They have to just register and can go.
Okay. Attended International Neurological Association. Okay. Qualified CTET, OTET. What is this OSSTET?
Sir, Odisha school, secondary school, teacher eligibility test.
You have completed B.Ed also.
Yes, sir.
You have written B.Ed?
Yes, sir, I have written Nagarjuna University.
B.Ed.
B.Ed.
But
Nagarjuna.
it's biological sciences.
Yes, sir. There is 2 stream, biological science and physical science for science students. I have taken biological science.
You are working somewhere?
No, sir. I am only preparing for civil services.
Okay, Padmaja,
Yes, sir.
you are brilliant academic. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
very good. But tell us, you would be better off as a research scholar. Your contribution to science will be valuable. Maybe you can go abroad, study abroad.
Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. There can be a chance, but sir, I think I can use my potential better in this administrative way for people. Because the knowledge I have get on my career, like for in my graduation or post graduation, I can use them for people. So I think I can better use my potential there.
Okay. If we can, that's a very interesting thought, Padmaja. So, okay, assume you are entering the service,
Okay, sir.
and then you are going into the district,
Yes, sir.
developmental administration,
Yes,
and also other executive magisterial responsibilities and jobs are there. So what will be your priorities and what will be your style of and structure of your working?
Sorry, sir. Can I ask you something? Like you are asking which sector I can contribute, or the way
Across the sector? No, mine is very general. I am not confining myself to any particular sector. That is not at all.
Okay.
No, in fact, I don't want that. Across the sectors.
Okay, sir. So you will want to know how I will work. Okay, sir. So I think I can contribute to the tribals because I know them better, their culture better. So I can contribute in that sector. Not only that sector only, also I can contribute in healthcare sector. I will work with the people so that I can understand their needs and I can make proper plans for them.
Padmaja, if we understand you rightly, you say, sir, I am well aware of the problems of the, let us say, tribals.
Yes, sir.
What are the problems, by the way, since you are mentioning it? Yeah.
Okay. So if I are talking about social sector, they have education problems. Like educations are inaccessible and inaffordable for them. They in many tribal areas. In healthcare sector, they still cannot accept modern healthcare problems. They still depend on their tribal medical cares. And in political sector, there is always a politicization of tribal people. Politicians use them for their own benefit. In economic sector, they are also backward. They cannot have access to the modern market. Although government of India has taken many steps, but they are still in a little bit backward way. So I think I can contribute in that sector.
Okay. What do you think of the Uniform Civil Service, Uniform Civil Code Padmaja, which is occupy a lot of space, political space.
Yes, sir.
What do you think of that?
Sir, Uniform Civil Code is a uniform code or uniform law can be applicable to all the citizens of India, irrespective of their religion. So now it has been mentioned in the Constitution under DPSP Article 44. Now the ground now it occupy the space because there is a lot of debate about implementation of UCC all over the India. But many tribal peoples, like especially from Jharkhand, which has a significant number of tribal population, they are not accepting this because they want to preserve their unique culture, unique cultural laws. So this is the situation. Their governor, Jharkhand governor, he is also
Okay. So, according to you, if we exclude the tribal community, then it's okay, is it? Supposing we bring in UCC and we exclude tribals because they are a special category anyway. Is it all right to apply to other communities? There is no problem?
Sir, I believe beauty of India is the diversity. We cannot forcefully impose this UCC over others, but at the same time we cannot also undermine provisions of constitution. There are some personal laws which I believe is against constitution and against human right. I think we should limit our UCC over there, so that cultural.
That's very brilliant, Padmaja. I stop here, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So you are a zoology student,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Can you derive the word zoology?
Zoo, I mean meaning. Zoo means animals. Logi means logi comes from the word logos, which means to study of animals.
June logos.
Yes,
Animal
sorry, sir.
study of animals.
Okay, sir.
You have attended a Science Congress where?
Sir, in Mysore 2016.
16.
Yes,
What
sir.
are the theme of that Science Congress?
Sorry, sir, I don't remember actually.
Remember exactly. Have you produced paper?
Sir, I have performed a
Poster.
thesis, but it hasn't been published yet. I have performed a thesis over impact of.
No, they are in Science Congress.
No, sir. I have just attended.
Then international neuroscience where?
Sir, in Ravansa College.
Neuroscience.
Yes, sir. Internet that
What they dealt with?
that is about neuroscientific conference where professors and researchers from different parts of the world were attended, and I am a neuroscience student. I have a
Now, what are
neurology.
the contents of neuroscience?
Sorry, sir, I didn't get
Neuroscience, what are the contents?
contents. Sir, it is based upon the study of neurons, that is nerve cells. We have central nerve cell and peripheral nerve cell, and human problems related to that. Neuroscience basically deals with that.
Which part of the brain controls the nerves? Peripheral nerves.
Sir, I think, sorry sir, I am unable to recall, but with your permission I want to try.
Okay.
So I think it is cortex of forebrain.
So true. That's
Thank
right.
you, sir.
The memory, that brain, immediately the zoology people means you should know your brain. The structure of the brain.
Sir, I haven't been, I don't have actually contact with zoology for so many years, like 3-4 years. So,
Maybe.
so I will read that.
We have read botany and zoology since 68. I still remember, know me, know my product.
Okay, sir, I
That is
will read
gone
about
there.
that.
So, suppose, do you have any idea about wildlife?
Yes, sir, I have.
Which type of wildlife they are extinct now?
Sir, extinct species include in India. Sorry, sir, I'm unable to recall actually.
India, although every year 3 species that have become extinct.
Yes, sir.
It's all right.
Sorry, sir, I'm
Remember
unable
that
to recall.
subsequently. Then what is wildlife and what is wilderness? Wildlife and wilderness.
Okay, sir. Sir, I think wildlife means animal or living organism which are live and living in the wild area, like in forest. And wilderness is the behavior or human character or animal character which don't allow them to be civilized.
Wilderness is actually the uncared, the flora and fauna present in the forest. That is wilderness.
Okay, sir.
We don't care that. But they grow up and give opportunity to the society for different type of drugs and etc.
Okay,
You understand? Then about this anthropology. You are anthropologist, na?
Yes, sir.
Subject. What is physical anthropology?
Sir, physical anthropology generally deals with study of study of biology, like genetics, then human diseases, then evolution of man, deals with these things, sir.
What is evolution and what is organic evolution?
Sir, evolution means a directional change in an organism over a period of time. Then organic evolution means evolution of organism. Sorry, sir.
Living organism.
Living organism.
Living organism, that is organic evolution. It's all right.
You belong to Kendrapada district.
Yes, sir.
Name some of the tourist places.
Tourist places like Bhitarkanika, then Paradip Port.
Only two.
So you asked about tours. Then Kanika Fort. Then I can
Okay,
recall.
giving a chance.
Okay.
How do you explain a foreigner to visit your district?
Okay, sir. So I will first give him or her about the description about my district, like the tourist places, as I have said three. I have mentioned three. Then then it have also a special temple, a renowned temple, the Baldevju temple. I will also tell him to try its special prasad like rasavali, potoli pitha. These are famous. Then also I will also tell him to visit the sea. Beach areas. These are also very beautiful places.
You will not tell them about Bhitarkanika or significance of Bhitarkanika.
So I told na.
What is the significance of Bhitarkanika?
Sir, crocodile conservation area. Then it is also place for some migratory birds.
Theatre crocodile. Bhitarkanika.
Sorry, sir,
Three times.
I don't know.
Three times.
Okay, what about olive ridley?
Sir, olive ridley turtles are generally sea turtles. They came to Gahirmatha for their.
That is to your district. That is not in Kendrapada district.
Yes, sir.
But you have forgotten.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Okay.
They come to Gahirmatha for their reproduction.
And remember, also if not, another major cyclone happens to cross through your district, there will be another huge amount of coastal erosion.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
and you should also convince other organizations, other institutions regarding to take steps regarding coastal erosion.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are the other problems your district is facing, like demographic problem?
Sorry, sir.
Okay,
Sir, can I mention something?
Yes.
Sir, actually, the Kendrapada, I am not from Kendrapada basically. I have just studied in Kendrapada.
Okay.
But my native place is Bhubaneswar. I have been residing here from 2013. Like after my Navodaya, I was just reading in Navodaya, Kendrapada
Okay,
Navodaya.
but it will attract questions.
Yes, sir.
Maybe from Kendrapada district, because you have already mentioned that JNV Kendrapada.
Yes,
Okay.
Navodaya ka first student, first batch.
No, sir. 2006 batch. I think it's
କେବେ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲା
7th.
Navodaya?
Kendrapada, JNV Kendrapada Navodaya. I think it has been started.
ରେ ହେମନ୍ତ ଶର୍ମା ଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ କଲେକ୍ଟର ଆମେ ଯାଇଥିଲୁ ସବୁ ଇନୋଗ୍ରେସନ।
Do you study
1985,
neuroscience?
I think.
Do you study neuroscience in MSc Zoology?
Yes, sir.
One paper.
Yes, sir.
How it is related with AI?
AI. So AI basically is to study the human behavior or their behavioral patterns, so that computer can generate the same type of pattern. So neuroscience, neurology is basically deals with the type of human thought or human action. So neurology have a it's neurology. You can say neurology as a basis of AI.
Okay. What is the anthropological name of present generation human being?
Sir, Homo sapiens sapiens.
What is how it's different from Homo sapiens?
Sir, how is difference?
How it's Homo sapiens sapiens the present
Yes, sir.
status of human being? How it is different from Homo sapiens?
Sir,
Why
it is-
sapiens sapiens
sir,
is
it
repeated?
is more have erect posture, then well gripped hand, thumb. The human brain, Homo sapiens brain is more developed as compared to Homo sapiens. So currently I can.
What is the previous ancestor of Homo sapiens?
ତା ପୂର୍ବଟା କ'ଣ?
Yes, sir. Sir, Homo erectus.
Sure.
Sir, I'm confused between Homo erectus and Homo habilis.
ଜୁଲୋଜି ଅଛି ପୁଣି ଆନ୍ଥ୍ରୋପୋଲୋଜି ଲେକ୍ଚର ସେଥିରେ ଯଦି ହୋମୋ ହ୍ୟାବିଲସ୍ ହୋମୋ ଏଇ ସିକ୍ୱେନ୍ସଟା ମନେ
But
ରଖିବ
actually, in this
Again, the
short span of
evolution.
time, I could not revise.
ନ୍ୟୁରୋସାଇନ୍ସ ଆଉ ଏଆଇ ଯୋଉଟା ଦେଲା ଜଷ୍ଟ ଲେମ୍ୟାନ୍ ହିସାବରେ ଦେଲା ଟିକେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଭଲସେ ଦେଖିବ
Okay, sir, sure.
କାରଣ ଏଆଇ ମାନେ ନଟ୍ ରିଲେଟେଡ୍ ଟୁ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ ବିହେଭିୟର ଏକ୍ଜାକ୍ଟ ବିହେଭିୟର ତାକୁ ଆଉ କିଛି ଅଛି ତାକୁ ସପ୍ତାହରେ କି ଆମେ ତାକୁ ମାନେ କ'ଣ ଜେନେରାଲାଇଜ୍ କରୁଛେ ତାକୁ ଷ୍ଟଡି କରୁଛେ କରିକି
Yes,
ପୁଣି ତାର ଆଲଗୋରିଦମ୍ ୟୁଜ୍ କରୁଛେ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷ ଟିକେ ଟିକେ କହିବ ଏଆଇରେ ଏଆଇ ଇଜ୍ ମୋର୍ ଆବାଉଟ୍ ଯୋଉ ଜିନିଷଟା କହିଲ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ ବିହେଭିୟର ତ ସାଇକୋଲୋଜି ଅଛି
Yes, sir.
ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ତ?
Yes, sir.
Achha, which animal has maximum percentage of neurons in comparison to its body weight?
In its body waste.
Neurons, amount of neurons in comparison to its body weight.
Body weight. Sorry, sir.
ନ୍ୟୁରୋନ୍ସ ମାନେ କ'ଣ?
The neurons means nerve cells.
देखिए बोधे लीच जोकर बोधे अधिका सर
So Padmaja,
Yes, sir.
good. This is the first time you are appearing for the interview,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Good. How do you
Okay,
feel
sir.
about this?
So I think I could have been done better if I have little more prepared. Because in this short span of time, I think 2-3 days, I could not revise all those things. So I will try my best in next time.
Good. When is the interview?
So, on 20th September. Sorry,
23rd.
July. 20th.
28.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's a good interview, I should say, because the learned members asked very pointed questions. They asked pointed because you're very good. So naturally they will be tempted to take you deeper and deeper into your subjects. So be prepared. This will give an idea how
Yes, sir.
we can be taken. Kendrapada, then the Oliver Ridley turtle, most important thing, you could not connect it, but you knew all about it. It's basically making the connection.
Yes, sir.
तो वर्तमान भुवनेश्वर जो घर खोर्धा डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्राइम भी देखिबो केन्द्रापड़ा भी देखिबो
I get. Okay.
See, concept is there. When you are talking about AI being related to the brain,
Yes, sir.
I would be impressed. Being a layman, so to say, but the experts will not be impressed. they will drag you.
Yes, sir.
So
So
they will
many
ask you to
factors are there.
refine the
Yes,
content.
sir.
Tell the basic things only. So many factors are there
Ah.
for a,
Yes, sir.
you can't explain easily.
Basically nothing to worry because
Factors are basic type of.
କେତେବେଳେ behavior କହିବେ rightly members said that relates to psychology.
Yes, sir.
So because it is what basically it is what, but then algorithm. It brings in the entire algorithm and then all those things.
Okay, sir. I'll read
There is
about
nothing to
that.
worry about it. This is not
Yes,
to
sir.
disturb your this thing. This is only to take your thoughts to depths.
Yes, sir.
Because if you are very good, they would like to take you and then give you outstanding. For that they will require further.
Okay, sir.
Actually, she is a good student. She seems and very good to posture also and presentation.
Thank you so
For,
much, sir.
for AI, as I told, the latest development is, you know about telomere,
Telomere, yes, sir. Chromosome.
chromosome, where it is, what is the part of the chromosome,
Sir, in the end of the telomere.
what is the shape,
Shape is the ribbon-like shape.
ribbon like, and end is rounded,
Rounded. Yes, sir.
that is telomere,
Yes, sir.
terminal part.
Yes, sir.
That is more responsible for this AI, that is the latest research
Okay,
by
sir.
mathematics.
Okay, sir. I'll look for that.
journal janitha.
So any questions from your side, Padmaja?
Sir, is it okay with? I will go with this outfit. Is it okay?
Oh, you are comfortable with
Yes,
it?
I am
Yeah?
comfortable.
The whole idea is you should feel very comfortable.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I have given my hobby as cooking. Is it okay? I mean, I have to mention anything specific or not, or just cooking is fine?
Okay, it's fine. Then they ask you.
Are you okay with cooking?
Yes, sir. I'm very good at it.
Then
Very good,
if
huh?
you are confident, then somebody will ask, khechadi keମିତି ତିଆରି ହେବ?
very good at cooking, but answering regarding cooking different.
Yes.
Okay,
ତ
sir.
ସେଠି different ପଚାରିବେ ତମର
ଖେଚେଡି।
ମାଞ୍ଚୁରିଆନ କୁକ୍ଡ ଫୁଡ୍ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆସୁଛି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଫୁଡ୍ ବିଷୟରେ
Sir,
ତାର demerits।
that was I was asking that only. I have to mention something specific. Like I'm good at Odia food.
Kitchen.
Traditional Odia
No,
food.
sir, Pacharthante. See,
You can tell.
it's a hobby which you like it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So cooking, what you cook, what you know about cooking, that's all.
ସିଏ କ'ଣ ପଚାରିବେ ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ସିଏ କ'ଣ ପଚାରିବେ ତୁମେ ତ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଫୁଡ୍ କହିଦେଲ ବଢ଼ିଆ ଖାଇବା ତୁମେ ଜାଣିଛ ଭାତ ଡାଲମା ଜଣା ପଡ଼ୁଛି ଖଟା ଜାଣିଛ କିନ୍ତୁ ସିଏ ପଚାରିବେ ଯାହା ସାର୍ ପଚାରିଲେ ତୁମେ ତୁମର ଯେଉଁ ସାନ ଭାଇ ଭଉଣୀ କି ଆଉ ଘରେ ଯେ ସାନ ପିଲା ଥିବେ ସିଏ କହୁଛି ମୋତେ ଚିପ୍ସ ଦିଅ ତୁମେ ତା ବଦଳରେ ତାକୁ କ'ଣ ଦେବ ହାଉ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ୟୁ ତାକୁ କନଭିନ୍ସ କରିକି ଇରିଟେଟ୍ ନ କରିକି ହାଉ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ୟୁ ରିପ୍ଲେସ୍ ହିଜ୍ ଫୁଡ୍ ହାବିଟ୍ ସେଇଟା ହେଉଛି ବାଦ ସେଠି ପଚାରିବେ
Okay, sir. I have to just
କ'ଣ କରିବ
say something.
କ'ଣ କରିବ
I will make
potato fry କରିବ
potato fry,
ଘରେ କଦଳୀ
banana chips. That will be healthy.
ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଫୁଡ୍ ବାଇରେ ବାହାରୁ
immediately it should come to your mind.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Don't feel tense or nervous.
ଶାଢ଼ୀରେ କମ୍ଫର୍ଟେବଲ
So yes, sir.
ତାହେଲେ ଶାଢ଼ୀ ଯଦି କମ୍ଫର୍ଟେବଲ ଶାଢ଼ୀ ପିନ୍ଧିବ ତାହେଲେ କାନରେ ଲଗେଇବ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଯାହା ହବ ଲଗେଇବ କାରଣ ଏଇଟା ଅଡ୍ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ଶାଢ଼ୀ ସବୁ ମାନେ ଟ୍ରାଡିସନାଲ ଡ୍ରେସ୍ ଏଇଟା ଫିଟ୍ ନୁହଁ ଖୋଲା କାନ ଶାଢ଼ୀଟା
That's a good point.
ସେଇଟା ମାନେ ଯଦି ଟ୍ରାଡିସନାଲ ପିନ୍ଧୁଛ ନହେଲେ ଡ୍ରେସ୍ ପିନ୍ଧିଲେ ମୋର କିଛି କହିବାର ନାହିଁ ସେଇଟା ୟୁ ବେଟର ନୋ ଇଟ୍ ଯଦି ଶାଢ଼ୀ ପିନ୍ଧିଲେ ତାହେଲେ ସେଇଟା
Okay.
ଛୋଟ ଯାହାହେଲେ ବି ଗୋଟେ ଯାହା ବି ଛୋଟ
ଏହା ଯେମିତି ଟିପା ମିଳୁଛି
ହଁ ସେ ବାସ୍ ସେମିତି
ନାହିଁ ସେମିତି
Okay, sir.
ମାନେ ଅଡ୍ ଲାଗିବ ଟିକେ ଶାଢ଼ୀରେ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଅଡ୍ ଲାଗିବ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ଡ୍ରେସ୍
And one last point also. This is a very important point the honorable member made. Last point is, some questions you will not be able to answer.
Yes,
So
sir.
keep with the same confidence and smiling face. Sorry sir, I don't know. I'll look it up. Don't lose your confidence because some questions you are not able to answer. That's done. That is perfectly alright.
Yes, sir.
Nobody will be able to answer all.
forget, you will forget that moment. ତାକୁ ଯଦି ମନେ ରଖିବ ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା କହିନି ଅସୁବିଧା ହବନି question ରେ।
That's why keep the smile, that smiling bhavana expression
Yes, sir.
from the beginning. Sir, take a practice class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All the best, Padmaja.
Thank
We
you, sir.
expect to see you in the list.
Sir,
Jesus.
am I okay? Like, is it satisfactory for you also? To
You want
implement?
okay or good or better or excellent? What do you want?
Anyway, since
Sir,
you are
actually, I want honest review
honest
so that
review-
I can work on me.
No, you are very good. There's no doubt about it. There's
Thank
no
you, sir.
You are very good.
You
Thank
are
you,
very
sir.
good. That is the reason why when the candidate is very good, the board will try to take you deeper so that they give you the top bracket, outstanding term. That
Okay.
is the effort. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All the best, Padmaja. God
Thank-
bless you.
Thank you so much, sir.